Hello everybody and welcome to the Practical Classics Classic Car and Restoration Show 2026. Let's join Becca and the girls from the Women Drivers Social Club, award winners for the best small stand in show under 80 square meters.
Wow, here we go, the prize winners from Saturday. So congratulations to the Women Drivers Social Club. What do I know? Best person to speak to is Becca. Hi Becca, good to see you.
Hello, welcome.
Hi. Becca's going to take us round. We're in your capable hands.
Thank you very much. So welcome to the Women Drivers Social Club stand. As Steve said, it was an award-winning stand. We won the best small stand in show, so under 80 square meters, and we were praised for how much we've managed to pack in here. So we've managed to pack in a little bit of advertising for a charity that we work quite closely with. They are called Women in Engineering, Science and Technology, and they were actually set up, if we work way around here, by some women that in the 80s had struggled to get work in a garage after they had done their qualifications, and so they then, after having run the garage for a few years, gone into teaching and things like that, set up the charity to be able to support women who wanted to go into it and do bursaries and things like that for them, and also educating girls within schools that they can do whatever the boys are doing. So yeah, not just jobs for boys. And the best way for us to illustrate that at this show was to have as much going on as we could on the stand and showcasing as many skills as we had. Not all of our women on the stand are mechanics or anything like that. They are hobbyists, just like all the other stands here, who enjoy working on their cars as much as they enjoy getting out in them. We are a club for both the women that just love driving and the women that love working on the cars. So it's been great to showcase that here at the restoration show for our very first time. Our first thing that we had going on was Amanda's little project stands over here.
I saw that.
Yeah, it's been really fun. So her first job was to turn this pedal car into our club logo.
Magic.
So that the bears have got somewhere to sit. It's caught the imagination of lots of kids as they've gone around the show. As has her scooter, which she actually purchased at the show last year.
Oh, brilliant.
So she's made a massive difference on that one.
A return visit.
Yes. And then today she's finished up the last of her jobs with the little model cars and the police car that you came and checked in on about.
That's great. A to-do list, organisation, you've set targets.
Absolutely. And we've ticked off that great target right at the top there as well.
Excellent, well done you. I won best stand and show, which you've done. Congratulations once again, Becca. That's great. So what else have you got for us?
So next up we have Claire's A30, and this is the engine and gearbox that it arrived with on Friday. Those have come out, a new engine and gearbox has gone in, and the gearbox was actually built while she was at the show.
Wow.
So she's been standing at the front of the show here for most of it, putting that gearbox together, putting that engine in, and making it all ready to go so that she can do it, go out and enjoy it. It's a car that she got for less than, you know, most cars, £1,000. It's never been welded, and she's looking forward to getting out and enjoying it, hopefully.
I love baby Austins, personally. Love them.
Yeah.
Love them. So,
next up, we've got Katie.
Something's missing here, or?
Yes, absolutely. So this is a fantastic vehicle. Katie actually got given it by her great uncle, who's had to give up driving.
Oh, what a shame.
A Lomax, and he used it as his everyday car for years, and she's found a new body for it because the old body wasn't really up to much anymore, and so whilst the body was off, she's decided to redo the engine, and so this has had a whole rebuild at the front, new rocker covers, new oil filler. It's all now getting towards ready to having the new body fitted to it so that she can get out and enjoy it as well. Wow. She's hoping to take it to our event later this year at the Bedford Steam Show, and have some great fun driving around the event in it. So it'll be all nicely wrapped up and trailered back home for her this evening, and she'll be enjoying it later this summer, fingers crossed.
Wow, that's great. Fantastic, Emma. Really, I'm just going to have a quick look over that and I'll be back with you in a second.
Absolutely.
Wow, a lot of people would have thought basket case, can't do anything with that. You guys like a challenge.
Absolutely.
You certainly like a challenge.
And the shiny bits on there really look quite nice. It'll be a shame to cover them all up with the body, but
yeah.
talking of shiny bits, there's a lot of shiny bits on this one over here.
Yes, yes.
So this is
Look at you guys, organisation.
absolutely.
Wow.
Yeah, so this is Claire and Mush's Fiat 500,
Yes.
as you can probably tell, and this car has had quite a lot done to it.
Yes.
New wheels, these are looking brand spanking new and shiny.
Certainly are.
And I'll grab that off of you and show you
Yeah,
the
on
interior.
the go. Yeah, on the go.
Yeah, so this is the new interior that's been fitted, all done up by Claire and Mush themselves. Mostly Mush doing the sewing and Claire doing all of the fitting and things like that, but it came with nothing inside, basically an empty shell, and it's now getting much closer to again them being able to go out and enjoy it.
It's a 72 as well.
It
Wow.
is, yeah. And it's been named Luigi after the character from Cars,
Right.
because we went and saw Cars earlier this year as a group,
Yes.
and it's all tied into that nicely.
I follow Vic Mayer on Instagram. He has got a couple of older Fiats, 1960 odds. He's got a couple anyway, and he uses them to hire out for TV footage and that kind of thing. But you'll find them easily. But him and the small car club, a lot of fun. But that looks amazing.
Yes, yeah. And you'll be enjoying it soon, I'm sure.
I hope so.
Yeah, it looks.
Been a long-term project.
And I know that they just eat up any money that you have or
Oh
have
yeah,
not
they've
got.
just done that.
You just about need to take on an extra paper round to.
I know. I've got a heavy paper round as it is, but I will take another one on.
Yeah,
Really
it honestly looks amazing. I mean,
Thank
look
you.
at that finish.
It's
And,
all right, isn't it? Look,
I s-
have you seen the interior?
Well, we'd like to. Yes, is that the right answer?
Yes, yeah, come round
Right.
and just, we'll get another angle on it. It's great.
I'm going to move my bomb over it. Look.
So, yeah.
Oh, look at that.
And,
Look
and,
at
and the
that.
door cards.
Yes.
Not quite finished those yet because
Yes.
I've lost the part of the door handle.
Wow, that is they're lovely.
And the back as well, with the
Luigi.
speakers and stuff, so
I'll just have a wee nosy inside. Amazing. Wow, seats are really nice. It's
Yeah, my wife did those. They're
it
handmade
really-
by one of our members.
it's a
has
that
been
that
married
is a
to me.
that is class. That is an absolute class job. That's quality. It really is. You don't
done a
need me to
great
tell
job.
you that. You know that,
That's Luigi in there, look.
right? Luigi. So wow.
and then finally we
Yes.
have got a Porsche 944
Yes.
that belongs to Lila, who hasn't
Yes.
yet passed her test. She's just 15,
Wow.
and she's been working on it this weekend with her
Yes.
two mums,
Yes.
getting all of these things done. Again, another checklist to
You
work
guys
through.
are so organised. But yeah, I think a to-do list, setting tasks and objectives, certainly for me, I can see that, and you guys have smashed it because you've achieved what you've set. So
Yeah, and the visitors found it quite useful because rather than them having to ask what that we were doing,
Yes.
they could see what we were working towards,
Yes.
and then were able to ask questions about, well, how are you finding this part?
Yes.
So you get kind of to the next part of the
Yes.
conversation with people
Yes.
and get to have a bit more interest
I
going on.
had a 924. I know there's a remarkable difference between the 924 and the 944, but aye, we can see where you're going with that one.
But yeah, it's been a fantastic weekend. And I guess the final thing to show you
Yes.
is that as well as having all of the members here that we do,
Yes.
we've filled the outside of the stand with pictures of other members working
Oh,
on their
right.
cars. Again, just
We'll-
filling in with that idea of trying to show that women do like working on their cars.
Yes.
It is a job for everyone.
Yeah, we'll do a drive-by
Yes.
and we'll pick that up if that's all right.
Yeah,
So
but-
hopefully get everybody in.
Yes, thank you very much.
No probs. Whatever. Keep on going as long as you want.
Yes, so lots of our members working on these cars, spray painting.
Yes.
This is Vicky learning to weld.
Yes.
In the garage at home.
I've never welded anything. I've never attempted. I do some work in the garage because I've restored myself. Well, not me personally, but I have restored
This is
cars.
actually Lila when she was a bit younger, receiving her first toolbox. So we start them young.
Oh, James. Well, there you go.
Yes.
Who
So
else?
lots of fantastic stuff going on.
Amazing.
But yeah,
That's good.
it's been great. We've had lots of interest, and I think one of the highlights of the show for me was a young girl that came by that was maybe 6 or 7.
Yes.
And we did the same sort of tour as we've done with you,
Yes.
walked them round and showed her everything that was going on.
Yes.
And at the end of it, someone said, "Oh, do you think you'd be able to help me with this?" And she said,
Yes.
"Well, I don't know, but I could learn." And I
Yes.
think that's a really important message for the girls to be
Yes.
taken away from the show.
I agree with you, because I think a few years on, maybe as a career
Yeah.
choice, it might be, well, I've done this, I've taken on as an interest, it's a hobby, and then the next step might be, well, I'm going to do some kind of
and it's
apprenticeship.
seeing women do it, realising
Yes.
that she could be
Yes.
that as well.
I agree with you. I
Yeah.
agree with you. And I think that's, I'm not a football guy, but I think a lot of people maybe see somebody playing at football,
Yeah.
I could be the next whatever.
Absolutely.
And that's how it starts, I hope. And we've supported a young chap at this show, a guy called Henry, and he was working on a vehicle. He's only 13.
Yeah.
And he said help and support.
Yeah, I
but
remember him,
that's
yeah.
how it started. Yeah.
Absolutely.
So all the best to her with her endeavours, and I hope that she
Yeah.
finds.
So yeah, I hope you've
finds
enjoyed the
something
tour.
stuff. Yes, we have.
And if people want to find us, we are a group on Facebook. It's free
Yes.
to join, and that's where we kind of advertise all of the events that we have going on. We have 2 camping weekends a year, and then 3 one-day events a year where we meet up all around the
Excellent.
country.
And how can people possibly make contact with you then through
So
Facebook?
Women Drivers Social Club. We're on Instagram, Women Drivers Social Club, and we also, you can drop us an email and we can put you in the right direction. It's womendriversocialclub@gmail.com.
Becca, thanks. Honestly, I've enjoyed. I'd want to join, but I'm
Not for
the
you,
member.
I'm afraid. I'm
not
sure
the
there's
member
plenty
you're
of clubs
looking
you
for.
can join.
I'll speak to Mrs. Stevo and see if she...
Absolutely, she'd be
Becca,
most
honestly,
welcome.
thank you for your time. Thanks for the
Thank
tour.
you.
All the best to you and your members. And I'll just take a drive-by around
Absolutely.
the perimeter. We'll pick up your members on the photographs again. But all the best, and congratulations once again on
Thank
the
you.
Women Only Social Club Award. Best small stand. What an achievement.
Absolutely.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Cheers.